everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my brand new challenge, 28 days to splits. Each morning for 5 minutes a day, we're doing some split stretches. And of course, we have a daily mantra and a daily self-love assignment. Let's go. I'm gonna see you on the mat. And again, we are starting with the diamond stretch. So make a diamond shape with your legs. Grab your ankles, create more space, and today we're gonna lean forward. Try to keep your back as straight as possible and slowly with control lean forward. Here's your daily affirmation or mantra. I deserve to be happy. 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 Okay, open your legs. Exhale, fold forward. This time, try to come down on your forearms if possible. If not, just try to move from hands and to bounce down into forearms and up and down and up and down. Remember, toes pointing to the ceiling. I deserve to be happy. And slowly up. Okay, both legs together. This time we're gonna exhale and fold forward. Slowly up. Okay, we're gonna finish our daily stretch with some yoga squats. So heels in line, toes out. Press your knees away with your elbows, palms of your feet in front of your chest. This is so good for the lower back as well. So if you have lower back pain or some issues, this should help you definitely. It's such a release for the lower back. Keep pressing your knees away from you. And release. Okay, nicely done. Here's your daily self-love assignment, your daily task. Take a bubble bath. Okay, enjoy your time, enjoy your day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Go enjoy your day, be good, feel good, stay active. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 4.